Hi students, welcome to Radhakrishna EduTech. Today we will discuss about one of the important concept in class 7 for mathematics, algebraic expression. So this is a basic introduction class. So here we will go through how the expression, what is expression and what are the factors involved in expressions and what are the parts involved in that expression we will discuss. Okay. So first thing I will take one basic example. Okay. So first item here is I will tell 5x square y plus 7x y square. Okay, so this is a first item, this is a algebraic exception. So this algebraic expression, this is called the algebraic expression. Okay, but there are multiple aspects involved in this expression. All this combinedly we can tell it as an algebraic expression. Okay, in this there are included constant, variable, terms, factors, coefficient, like and unlike terms. Okay, so we can split this in multiple aspects. So I am just diving in directly based on this example, and I am just giving an introduction on these items. Okay, in this what is constant? Constant is nothing but your number. So here you can tell 5 is a constant and 7 is a constant, because constant is a fixed value. Okay, so this will not be varied. For example, we cannot give values or assign any values to numbers or constant. 5 will remain always 5, 7 will remain always 7. So these both are fixed value. Okay, so in this algebraic expression we have constant. So what is the constant in this expression? This 5 is a constant and 7 is a constant. This is a fixed value which we cannot assign any value to this. So that is a constant. So nothing but your number. Okay, so the next item we can tell so in this, the next item, variable. Here variables can be termed as, you can tell, alphabetical items. So here in 5x square y plus 7x square, 7x y square. So here x and y is your variable item. Because for this variable we can tell, we can assign any value. For example, x can be aligned with 8, 10, 11, 22, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything we can assign the value to find a value. What is the value for your algebraic expression? Okay, so this is variable means what? It can be go up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, any items we can give. We can give 1, 2, 3. Or you can assign x, y, x is equal to, we can tell 7, y is equal to, we can tell 8, or minus 1, minus 2, anything we can. So this is a variable means it will be fluctuating, or we can assign anything to that. That is called variable. Okay, because without understanding the concept, no, you can't understand the equations or any calculations. So this understanding the concept is very, very important. So in this constant 5 and 7, here x and y. Now this is done. So this is a term. What is meant by term in the algebraic expression? Terms is nothing but put together. So here this is one term. This is term 2. For example, in this 5x square and y plus, this is one term. Okay, this is one term. Second term also in this expression we can tell 5x y square. This is the second term. So this put together only algebraic expression, or you can simply call it as expression. Okay. put together. This may be, see, the algebraic expression may be like this also, 5x plus 7y plus 3. So this is also algebraic expression. So this all equal items are terms. Term 1, term 2, term 3. Okay, put together it will form as an expression. So each item, this may be divided by minus symbol into addition divide. So whatever it is, the symbol. So all this put together will be called as an. So for example, x minus y, you think. So this is one term, this is one term. Put together is one expression. Okay. So expression is formed by terms. Okay, this is a simple example for terms. So going forward in this video, we will go to the exercise. We will discuss an exercise so that you will be understanding more better. So this is just a basic introduction I am giving on this. So next we called it as what is the next item? Factors. How this expression is formed by term, no? Same way terms are formed by factors. First you want factors, then it will convert it as terms, then it will be converting as expression. That's how it is. So for example, now what is a term for 5x5? In this, what is the first term? First term is 5x square and y. So this term is formed by factors. Factors is nothing but, see, this is one factor, this is one factor, this is one factors. This byproduct of factors only terms. For example, 5. X means x plus, you can write it here, 5x square, and you can. So this is one item. This item will be considered as 2. Y means we have a x to the power of 2. So it is a 2. Okay, x, then y. So this byproduct of these factors are terms. This byproduct of terms are called expression. Okay, in expression we have two things, that is one constant, numbers, one more is variable, these items. Here also these are all variables and this is a constant numbers. Okay, same way, for example, 5x square, 5x y square you think. Okay, now this is one term, this is one factor, this 3 separate one factors. So this is 7, x is only 1 we have, there is no any power to that. Y square we have, see, for example, if you write here, there is a power for the y, there are 2 y's. So you have to write x. If you take it in tree diagram, separately you will write, then we will convert this into 2 y's, because y into y is equal to y square. Same way, y into y that is equal to y cube. Okay, this is very simple. So first factors, these are the numbers of factors. These factors, these terms are byproduct of factors. This algebraic expression, these expressions are byproduct of terms. That's it. So then we will go to next item. Okay, so coefficient. What is coefficient? Just a partner. You can tell wife, husband, and kid. For example, wife is 5, husband is x, kid is y, you think. So for this xy 5 is a coefficient, means for this and this is a coefficient. For y, x and y, your coefficient. For y it is a 5 and x is your coefficient. So phi is a coefficient of x and y, x is a coefficient of phi and y, and phi and x is a coefficient of y. That's it. So usually they will tell 5 is coefficient x by 5, but in this in a broader way we can tell for x 5 and y is a coefficient put together. For y it is 5 and x. For 5 x and y both are coefficient. Coefficient means it's just a partner of the terms. Okay, so you understand, right, what is a coefficient. So here this is enough. This like and unlike terms I'll teach you in next class, because at one shot it will be a little bit confusing for you. So later on I'll try to teach in separate class for this. Okay, so now I'll put a new algebraic expression here. So what shall I write? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is one of the algebraic expression. Okay, here we can tell what is a constant in this. Put together what is, see, this 2 is your constant because this is a number. Variable you can tell a and b. A and b are your variables because this is an alphabetical number. Any values can be assigned in this. What are the terms? In this we have 3 terms. A square is one term, 2ab is one term, and b square is one term. 3 different terms. What are the factors? Factors are nothing but I'll show in T diagram. For example, I'll take a square. Okay, this a, this 2 put together is a square. Same way 2ab I am telling. So you will write here 2ab. Here there is no any square root, so I can, there is only one number is assigned to it. A is nothing but 1a also you can tell. There is no any, it is an invisible number. There it is always assigned with one number. Okay, same way next term if you take b square, if you take b and b, this put together is b square. That is your factors. B square, the factor of b square, this is the term. For this, what is an factors are b and b is your factor. For 2ab, 2 is your factor, a is your factor, and b is your factor. Here you can tell a square. Suppose 2a square, ba square, it is there, you think. I'll write it here only. Suppose instead of in this expression there is a 2a square and b square you have. So this is your algebra, this is your term. Now you will put a tree diagram here. What you will write? 2a square, you are splitting this. Now 2 is nothing but 2. We cannot do anything. This is a direct straightforward. Here a we have. Here a square means there are 2 a's. A to the power of 2. So a. This is your 2 factors for this terms. Here also same thing. B and b. This put together you are getting b square. This put together you are getting a square. This 2 numbers is assigned same as you are getting 2. So put together this 3 items combined you are getting 2a square and b square. This is your factors. Now if you say coefficient for this, so what you will tell? You can say 2a and b. 2 is coefficient of a and b. A square and b square. Same way a square is coefficient of 2 and b square. B square is coefficient of 2 and a square. That's it. Just this and this, same way this and this is square of this and this. That is enough. How you will tell it is a partner of other 2 items, or how many items, whatever there in the expression. That is called coefficient. Okay. I hope you understand this. Let me put one more. Let me put one more expression also here, so that you will understand more. I'll put up a tree diagram, for example. 1 plus x plus x square. This is your expression, you think. Here in this total expression, what is your constant? 1, this item. In variable, you have only x. Okay. What are the terms? Term are nothing but 1 is your term, x is your term, then x square is your term. Here, what are the factor of this? This factor is nothing but 1. This factor of x is nothing but x, because there is no any power root or any numbers assigned to above this. So here, first one more tree, x square we are taking, and this is merged with double x. So x into x is called x square. X square is nothing but your one of your terms. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Let me know for any queries. Okay, I'll put up one or two more exercises. We will be discussing this, because this algebraic expression introduction class is very important, so that going forward in class 7 also, or in 8, 9, 10, wherever, this concept understanding is very important to calculate the equations. Okay. So okay, this is one of the NCERT's courtesy numbers for class 7 mathematics algebraic expression. So hope you understand this. Please subscribe and like. Let me know for any queries. We will reply to that. Thank you very much.